Welcome, you're tuned into Times Now. This is Live Wire with me, Poonam Burde. Now, 20 of our braves lost their lives in the premeditated attack in the Galwan Valley a few days ago, but the Chinese aggression in that valley is not new. India has now increased visual in the entire area, with today we saw IAF Chief R.K. Bhadoria visiting the area, taking stock and reviewing preparedness.
So what you are seeing right now is from the Leh airport, which is operated and owned by the Indian Air Force. That's a cargo plane, that is a plane which is taking off essentially. This is an Indian Air Force airplane which is taking off. Since morning we have seen many of these takeoffs happening, whether it be helicopters or fighter planes. In the past 48 hours that Times Now unit has been here, there is an increased activity. People who are familiar with the airport and these locations tell us that this many takeoffs and landings of fighter planes do not take place usually. This is quite unusual. We know the reason why, but it also gives us a reason to be reassured. Reassuring for every Indian living across the length and breadth of the nation that the Indian Air Force is more than capable of guarding that 3,500 kilometer line of actual control between India and China.
Now, locals of the area are sending China a stern message. They say that they're ready to fight alongside our forces and ensuring that China is pushed out if they try any misadventure in the area.
कि लद्दाख जो है दो बॉर्डर के बीच में पीसता है, कभी करगिल वार बोल के हमारे लोगों को तकलीफ होते हैं, कभी चाइना के। जो 62 में हमारे लद्दाखियों ने जितना काम हिंदुस्तान के लिए की, और जब 99 में जो पाकिस्तान के साथ जब की, हमारे लोगों ने की हिंदुस्तान के लिए कितने खिदमत किया। लोग वॉलंटियर लोग जाके इस पाकिस्तान को धकेल लिया पीछे। मैं खुद ही वहाँ जो करगिल में हनुवली में खुद मैं मोटर बम लेके हिंदुस्तान की फ़ौजी के लिए मैंने अपना काम किया, क्योंकि हम हिंदुस्तानी है। हिंदुस्तान को करने के लिए हम चले गए थे।
अगर ज़रूरत पड़े तो हम चाइना के बॉर्डर पे भी जाके हम इंडियन आर्मी के साथ दे सकते हैं। जो करगिल वार में जो हमने जो वहाँ पे वॉलंटियर ही जो हमने आर्मी के साथ दिया था, उसी तरह हम भी जो चाइना में जो अभी हो रहा है, हम तैयार है। अगर पब्लिक अगर हम वहाँ पे ले जाएंगे एज ए पोर्टर या आर्मी के लिए वहाँ पे कुछ सामान पहुँचाना है, तो हम कंधे से कंधे मिला के हम जवान के साथ है। जो कल हादसा हुआ तो बहुत दुख की बात है।
Now, it's been 4 days since that standoff at the LAC in the Galwan Valley where 20 of our braves were martyred. Times Now is on ground there in Ladakh, getting you all the updates, getting you comprehensive coverage. Here's Vivek Narayan filing his report.
So what you see here is an Indian fighter plane landing and takeoff happening through the day. Now we are told for the past 48 hours we have been here at Leh. This is a constant feature. One after the other these planes take off. They go over those icy mountains. They make sure that every Indian camp, every Chinese camp is monitored frequently. There are also helicopters out there. You can see a heavy lift aircraft there. Those are used to carry men and material to the border posts as far as it can get. So the message is clear for one and all. Indian Air Force is backing the Indian Army to the hilt. They're making sure that the men in uniform are not without adequate rations, adequate equipment, ammunition and everything. These members are making sure that every Indian, you, me, the one living in Kashmir, Kanyakumari, Gujarat or in Guwahati, is sleeping safe. Now what you're seeing right now is an Indian Army helicopter taking off from the Leh Air Base. These helicopters are basically used at high altitude to observe the enemy. Where along these icy heights are the Chinese hiding? Where are they? Look at them. They have very high level of avionics on them. They are just there to make sure that the Indian forces are safe. They're there to make sure that if anything needs to be reached out to them, that will be reached out to them. They're also there to make sure that the enemy does not move from the location he is known to be. Any location, any movement is immediately reported back to the base. So these men in these fixed-wing planes, also in these rotary helicopters, doing their duty day in and out. this kind of an activity has seen an increase many folds here in Leh. With camera person Yogesh Vivek Narayan for Times Now.